Stop doing what you've always done and start thinking in systems. Uncovering the why behind any problem can lead us to solutions we never expected. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of root cause analysis, a powerful tool used across industries to look beyond the surface of a problem. And guess what? With the brilliance of ChatGPT, we're taking this to a whole new level. Strategic thinkers know that hasty decisions and unchecked assumptions can lead us into dangerous territory. Whether you're dealing with misaligned expectations or fluctuating market confidence, we all need a method that breaks down complex challenges into manageable pieces. Analyzing information and understanding the root causes prevents the cliches of fixing the symptom, not the problem. This is where root cause analysis swoops in, supported by the insightful nudges of ChatGPT to shed light on the unseen. Imagine trying to unravel why a particular trend keeps disrupting your operations. Maybe it's a mystery, like a sudden spike in housing inventories we've seen. By applying root cause analysis, we dissect these complexities. Step by step, we define the primary issue and gather all relevant data, like increased inventory, regional growth spurts, and more construction permits. ChatGPT is our live assistant, ready to mine through data, identify potential causes, and refine them into actionable insights. The magic of this method lies in its systematic, step-by-step approach. We first define the problem, for instance, selecting a problem in the real estate industry. We see an unbalanced market poised on the brink of unpredictability. Equipped with data insights, we move to uncover causes like economic shifts or changes in homeowner behavior. Harnessing ChatGPT's analytical power, we connect the dots, distinguishing between perceived and genuine root causes, like the easing lock-in effect for homeowners. Once the root cause is pinned, creativity takes the reins. We get to crafting solutions, from dynamic refinancing schemes to innovative rate protection programs, checked rigorously through devil's advocacy and pre-mortem analysis. With ChatGPT's dynamic input, solutions are tailored, biases reduced, and blind spots illuminated, ensuring optimal strategies emerge. Here's how it unfolds. Each phase builds meticulously on the last, starting with problem understanding, moving through comprehensive analysis, crafting multi-angle solutions, systematic assessments, and finally, settling on the optimal strategy tailored to your unique landscape. Throughout, ChatGPT ensures your journey is smartly guided, data-driven, and ready to adapt, minus the muddle. By choosing root cause analysis with the added prowess of ChatGPT, you're opening the door to depth and clarity like never before. Your path to uncovering insights is dynamic, guiding you to innovative solutions that breathe new life into traditional methods. So, strategic thinkers, here's your call to action. If this excites you, like this video, subscribe for the latest updates, and join the newsletter through my Linktree for a treasure trove of expertise. And if you're hungry for even more wisdom, the book AI-Powered Strategic Thinker. 3 Dao is your next great read. Remember, bold solutions favor the informed. With your newly sharpened skills, forge ahead and let these strategies be your compass in tackling your own challenges, consistently staying ahead in a world that's anything but predictable.